Wesley Elementary's jump from a D to a B didn't happen by chance. Teachers credit strong leadership and a clear vision for helping them raise the bar. I spoke with Markeetia Johnson. She's not just a teacher apprentice at Wesley in 3rd grade math and science, she's also a parent.
Our leadership, Miss Nash, she's awesome actually. And I think it takes a great leadership person, in that role to even move anything. Because if you're leading and showing examples of how you do things, then your teachers can't do nothing but fall in place. My kids had a great experience here. Kids, they like sponges. So if you running a system, this is how it's being ran, then you kind of pick up on it.
What was that like for you though?
For me,
was it tough for you at first? Did you have some things that you were?
It was kind of tough. Because I guess I just had to learn the system. But once I learned the system, it was like, okay, I can do this. Me as an employee and as a parent, I knew what to expect. Hey, this is how I go home and tell my kids, hey, this is how it's being done. It's different from home. Wesley Elementary and HISD has been a great experience for myself and my family. I can say that if they come to Wesley, they will learn. The teachers do care about the students, and the principal do care about her staff and her students. So if you're thinking about Wesley, Wesley is the place to be.